Today I'm going to show you how to make apple and sultana muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 200 grams of chopped apple, and 100 grams of sultanas. Firstly, you want to peel and chop your apples and chop them into small cubes. Then in a bowl, to your self-raising flour, add your caster sugar and your mixed spice and mix until well combined. Then in a separate jug, to your milk add your oil and your egg and mix really well until well combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until a batter has formed. Then add your chopped apples and your sultanas and mix really well until they're distributed throughout your batter. Then, having pre-lined a cupcake tray with muffin cases, mixture into 12 muffin cases. And then in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted, bake for 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make apple and sultana muffins.